Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a text message on CapCut PC. For the audio, you're just going to have to find it yourself, but I'm just going to type in hello there. And then for the font, I'm just going to find the Roboto medium one because it's the closest one. And then you're going to select bubble, and you're going to find one that's close to an iPhone text message. Definitely not that one. We're just going to go down until we kind of find it, or you can find one in the template section. Let's see if they have it here in their messages. Yeah, they do have it. Maybe that one or this one. Yeah, this one. Let's go with this one. Let's change it to hello there. And you can change the font here. So I'll just change it to this one. And then I don't really know if you can change the background of it. So I'm just gonna leave it here. And then I'm going to right click, create compound clip, then go to animation, and I'm going to go to the in animation, and I'll do slide up. I'm just going to try to find it now. Oh, here it is. And I'm just going to make it a little bit quicker, maybe 0.2 seconds. And make sure you add in typing noises and the other noise sound effects there is for a message, an iMessage. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.